here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. First I want to talk about this magnificent background I have here. My daughter and I were thrifting, antiquing about a month ago, and I found this in an antique shop, and this belonged to a judge in Gaffney, South Carolina. And y'all look. Oh, I love it. Made up of doilies and just, it's just gorgeous. Oops, sorry about that, didn't mean to hit the camera. Gorgeous. I had to have it. Here it is, and it's absolutely huge. I have not measured it, but it's huge. All right, let's talk about the update in my Etsy shop and what I have here. What I have here, y'all, is a slice of summer, bumblebees and sunflowers, and it is just, it's both grungy and sunny. I love it. I hope that y'all do too. So first off, let's check out this cover. Done with blues, pinks, yellows, greens, bejeweled bumblebees, pearled flowers, doilies all up underneath here, lace on the spine, more bejeweled bees. I found this fabric in Pigeon Forge and just had to have it for just such an occasion. Here we've got some packing paper that my candles come in. Y'all have seen me use this before. I love it. This is one of my prints in my Etsy shop. One of my most favorite prints ever. I love this image. Love it. Love it. This is how big it is, how chunky it is. It is tied together with a bunch of sari silk so that it stays closed. Got a little dangle here, and I have done both sides. One with a daisy, which to me also just resonates summer, and the other with just a bunch of little snippet pieces and a really pretty little blue gem. Over here on the side, I've got a detachable, so you can detach it right here with a little heart claw clasp, lobster claw clasp, and a bunch of beautiful, I love this assortment of strings, yarns, ribbon. I think it's gorgeous. Gorgeous. But y'all, come on. The piece de resistance is this beautiful yellow gold bead dangle that I made for it. I thought it was perfect for this. Just this alone, I think, is just beautiful. Beautiful. All right, let's open it up and let me show y'all what I've got. All right, over here I have got a tuck space made out of fussy cut sunflowers, some fringe, and these, nearly everything that you see in here print wise can be found in my shop. These are my digitals, or Leanna's scrap shop on in Etsy as well, and I do believe that this is one of hers. But how cute is this fringe, this little flower lace pieces here. I love it. Got some collaging here with some washi tape and just some pieces of really pretty fabric. Some yellow check that I absolutely love that goes with everything. Y'all, I have been hard at work on getting stuff put together and out there for y'all, and honestly mostly digitals. I have got 2 more sets of digitals forthcoming that I will be sharing with y'all really soon that I'm super excited about. This is one of my digitals here, one of my sunflower digitals. Got some tea or coffee dyed paper. I don't remember which one. Just a bunch of different various types of paper throughout. another one of my digitals. And over here, okay, this is a paper clip that I made, and I love it. I love it. Look, dangle and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous sequins and pearl, rhinestone, little flower there, and I just love it. This side, got a little flower, another little flower, some sequins here, a little tiny bit of blue, so everything is cohesive. And in the paper clip, got this journal tag and another, is that not gorgeous? Another journal tag. I think it's beautiful. And I'll probably have to put this back later because I'll have to look while I'm doing it to make sure that the, no, I think it'll go. There we go. All right. Over here, let me undo this. I made some brads with buttons, so not real brads. I sewed those buttons on. More fussy cut sunflowers here with some glitter in the middle. And I made this flower pot on my Cricut, using my Cricut, and have in the garden here. I've got this piece, it's an envelope of sorts, you'll see, and it's embossed with flowers, and I grunged it up a little bit with some distress ink. There we go. I've got some pieces of honeycomb, one with a bee here, and I've outlined some of the combs and added glitter to that. I've edged it with this antique lace piece and a little piece of grungy paper. This also honeycomb, by the way. And in here, so that flips open. In here, got two journaling cards. Y'all look at that. Look at that. That's summer. Am I wrong? And I know it doesn't mean summer to everybody. There are lots of things that mean summer to me, but sunflowers and bumblebees, definitely two of those things. They're just so happy. I've got another piece of lace here that I didn't point out. Okay. A little tiny piece of collaging up here. More well, those are not, are those bees? Yeah, they are. Okay. And honeycombs. Got some pretty gold honey colored ribbon there, along with some lace up underneath. How pretty is that? Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay. Back here I've made a belly band, and I've got a pretty little flower here on the side. Up underneath I've got some bees collaged on, and a piece of dictionary page that I cannot think that I did some molding, was it modeling paste, and grunged up just a little bit. It's a flower with some leaves coming out. I've got a tag in my shop, flower, and some bees. Okay. Some more journaling pages. So plenty of places to write in here, but also a lot of eye candy. Here we've got another belly band, and what this is it is a bunch of lace stacked. And we just, y'all, this is one of my absolute favorite laces, and I don't use it a lot because I don't do yellow a whole lot, and I'm thinking maybe I should incorporate it more. I was actually looking at this lace this morning and was thinking this is one of my absolute favorite laces. Why I need to incorporate yellow more, just if for no other reason but to use this lace. I love it. But yeah, this is a bunch of stacked lace. I've even got it down here with the light blue and some more yellow. Some more of those daisies and some more of those cute little blue-eyed flowers. And up underneath here is a sunflower snap peeking through. Got some more bees there. And how cute is that? I believe this is Leanna's scrap digital. I will leave her link down in the description. Y'all know how I do. That way if y'all want to find them, they'll be there. This is one of my digitals. Okay. Okay, got several things here. I've got this little flip over and open place to journal with a bunch of just really pretty pieces. Some Cricut stuff here. I don't know if y'all can see this or not. Let me have a look through here. Can y'all see all of the teeny tiny, come on, stop moving, teeny tiny yellow stars in here? This with these sequins. I don't know if you can or not, but they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Got another tag, one of mine, one of Leanna's. Got a little bit of collaging with some more of those adorable flowers. And I made a yellow pocket over here and have collaged it with different fabrics and laces. And y'all look at this. It's the yellow gingham and the cutest little blue flowers. Those are adorable. One day when I do a boys baby journal, baby book, I will put that in there. I just love it. I think it's so pretty and it's so delicate, baby-like. Okay, over here I have another little belly band, and in this belly band is one of my most favorite images that I've ever worked with. Okay, so first we've got our beekeeping sisters, some more of those cute little flowers. I made this little flower. This little flower has a little hole in it to where you can put anything that you want to. And I found this little honey yellow gold bead with a tiny little bit of blue swirls in it. And I know that y'all probably cannot see it on camera, but it is there. So I made that little flower. And again, just stacked a bunch of lace. Got some tickets here. One of my images for my digitals, more of my digitals. Cute little postcard. I think it's adorable. This is Leanna's, and this is one of Monet's sunflowers, and I think this is the colors. Yes, I'm staring at y'all. I'm staring at that. Is just mesmerizing. The blue is so blue, and contrasted against this yellow. Oh my goodness. Got another little bee back here. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. Oh yeah. Got a little snippet here with a little honeycomb hanging off. Little laces and some buttons and that cute little flower. Little blue button. I think that's adorable. Got another little sunflower tuck spot with a couple more of my digitals. One a tag and one a journal card, and this is one of Leanna's. I believe. I'm not certain that this is, because I did get some images that I found online and use those as well. So I'm not 100%, but I think it's hers. Okay. More pages. Here we go. A little pocket that I made with a bunch of stacked laces, fussy cut jars with sunflowers and blue butterflies. I thought that was appropriate. One of my favorites, y'all know. One of Leanna's, and I love that one. Love it. And also this print of this beautiful, I don't know what kind of flower that is, but I think it's just gorgeous. A little ruffle and some sequins there on the side. Okay. And last page, and by the way, this digital is also one of my digitals and one of my favorites. I love it. And this page has the little hangy offy taggy thing. And I've got my little jeweled flower there, and I've made a little pocket here, and it's full of just cute little tags that you can find on mine and Leanna's page. I love that sunflower. I love the texture and the leaves. It's so pretty. One of my favorites. And oh, thought that come out. Couldn't remember, but anyway, nope. That's glued there, and it's a really pretty image of some bumblebees and some pussy willow, I think. Not 100%, but it's really cute. You need to be up a little more. We want to see that pretty lace. And y'all, the back is really pretty as well. As usual, do not forget my back. And I think it's just really pretty. And you can see the shell that I used here is also lace coffee dyed. So just gorgeous. Whoever's interested in it, again, it is in my Etsy shop. Don't know how long it will be there, but it's there right now. And so thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye.